Hey, good morning, you guys. So today is Wednesday, July 12th, and it is around 10:30 in the morning here. And I just got here to the office and I'm ready to get into some drop shipping. Today, I'm actually going to show you a tutorial how to set up your store properly. So I am in the process of building out my demo store. So I'll show you how to first select the right name for your store and the tools I use. There's a few tools that I use to help me with sort of generating a name and how I go about that. And also the next thing would be the logo for the store and the colors. So this color scheme for the store, which will be in the logo as well as on the store itself. And of course, I'll show you some themes that are great for Shopify to use. And also we can look at how to build out the store and things like that. The other thing would be like buying the domain, getting the email and everything routed to the domain. So that will be on my computer. So let's hop on over there and I'll show you how to do that. Welcome to the computer, the laptop sort of view. And what I'm about to show you is gonna be really awesome. Like not a lot of people show this sort of behind the scenes of how to actually find your brand name, which will become your domain name, and how to create a logo that's catchy, make sure you know that everything's on point. Your colors matter, your name really matters. First of all, you want to make sure that your name is very catchy, easier to pronounce, easier to type up as well, and you can remember it. Picture in the real world, or it rhymes with something or something in the real world. That's a huge plus. Right here, we're just going to do a quick example off the cuff. I just prepared a quick outline, literally a couple minutes it took me to put this together for you guys. And let's, for example, choose a niche, outdoor fire pits. And we have to choose a store brand name. This will be your DBA. This will be your doing business as for your sort of store name, your domain name and everything. And this will be what you contact suppliers and you say this name. So you want to make sure you choose something that sounds reputable, sounds official. You know, I would highly recommend from adding numbers like stores 1, 2, 3 or something, you know. So outdoor fire pits 1, 2, 3 or something like that. Like you want to make sure you sound like legit. So for example, what we can do, we first can go to Google Shopping and check out what are the other competitors doing in the niche. Outdoor fire pits, and we're looking at competition, other store names, other sort of sites, and these are our competitors, and we want to see what their names are, what their colors are, all of that. This is literally for free. You're getting this for free, like you're looking at Google Shopping. So check this out. So we go down here, scroll down, and right here where it says seller, down here, boom, click more, and you got all the sellers right here. And so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna copy this like this, copy that real quick. And the other tool we can use is ChatGPT. I have it pulled up right here, but you can use this link. I'll probably include all of this in my description so you guys have access to that. But literally just trying to provide you guys with some free value because this is a huge starting point and it's very important. And so we just type in something like this. So first of all, we can let sort of ChatGPT do all the work. And so you have right here some ideas. Most of these will be most likely taken, but you can enter these into a domain name website like domain.com or Google Domains and include. But the other thing we can do is like, okay, can you do that? So prompting the AI software to, this is a new task, but it's sort of going off of what we asked it prior. So now this is where we paste the link, but you know, something like delete these big sellers, like Big Lots. And then what you can do is literally take the names right here and even put them here. But let's see what it gives us. You have so many other, and literally you can just go back and forth with this and just play around and see what you can come up with. The other thing is like something called SquadHelp, also an AI generator tool. What we can do is sort of outdoor fire pits, and let's see what it gives us. Most likely it's not going to be the best, but it gives us some names, and the cool thing is it shows what's available and how much it costs. So here you can play around with the results and the price ranges. But the cool thing is it's just ideas, right? You have ideas for logos, like already, like sort of what the domain name is and the logo associated with it, how it looks. It's pretty legit, pretty cool right here. So play around with that. That's the other thing. So once we found the domain, we can go to something like Google domains. I have it pulled up right here, domains.google.com. Find the perfect one. So now let's say, okay, let me go back here. Okay, we're looking at fire pits, fire pit galaxy, fireplace choice, fire pit choice. What if we try fire pit choice and see if that's available? Boom, the .com is available right here, fire pit choice. And that sounds, I mean, honestly, this sounds legit. Like you're saying you're having the actual keyword and your niche already in the name, fire pits. Fire pit choice sounds good. If you want to replace that with fire pit haven, I mean, that's probably already taken. Let's see what we got up here. Fire pit masters maybe, but we can stick to fire pit choice. Fire pit choice, let's stick with that. Boom, we're done. Colors, also same thing. Go again to these competitors and go to the websites we have right here. For example, fireplace choice, fire pit oasis. Just open up a bunch of these tabs and literally see what colors they use. So see, they're going with more of a blue. I think more for fire pits, you're thinking warmth, right? You gotta, a lot of it is emotions and feelings based. So what do you want the customers that are coming to your website, what do you want them to sort of feel? Fire pit surplus. I think, yeah, so look at that, check it out. Right? So orange is what sort of is associated with fire pits. So orange, we're thinking orange. The other thing is this sort of coolers. It's supposed to be like colors, but you know, spelled like this. So you go here and start the generator, and basically the rules of this one to generate some colors. So you press spacebar and it gives you new colors, right? But we already sort of know what sort of we want. So like, let's say we kind of like this orange. What we can do is look at the page source, or better yet, inspect element, right? Inspect, and I want to see right here, inspect. Yeah, you can inspect and get this color, but honestly there's probably better tools. This is just a quick video. It's called hex code finder or something like that, where you can either drop an image or something. Yeah, from an image you could literally just take a screenshot of the website itself and throw it into the hex code generator, and it'll give you the hex code, right? We want to sort of choose the color, so we go here back to this website, and now it might be too dark. You also don't want it too dark. Something like this. So something like this, right? So, and then you click this lock to make sure it's locked, and you click spacebar again, and it'll try to generate complementary colors. Yeah, something like this would be pretty cool. That website actually had that sort of in the footer, and you just lock this one, generate some more. Yeah, some yellows for warmth would be pretty cool. Probably like white, like this is cool, but something like that, you know. So you have all the hex codes right here, and now all you have to do is like get the last one. This could be probably awesome. So yeah, you just get these colors and boom, you have the hex codes, and we're on to the next step. So we're flying through this one. So now for the logo, brand crowd, we're going here, brand crowd. So we chose fire pits choice, right? So you can choose just text only or an icon, orange, red. Boom, fire pits choice. I typed in keywords warm, heat, orange, red, and it's just spitting out different sort of stuff, right? But for colors, of course, we want some orange, some red, and maybe some grayscale. Let's see what it does. You know, gives us some cool ideas. Definitely something to look at. These are pretty sick, you know, pretty cool stuff. So after that, we can go to something called Dolly, right? And I'll paste this below, but you can literally copy this to generate a cool logo. So right here, balance center, deep colors, fire pits choice. Generate sort of based off what we gave it some looks, right? So I could put fire pits, orange, red, check mark, right? For like choice, choosing the right option or something. You can check it out, but there's like so many options, right? You can do. It's literally gonna go through and just give you a bunch of names and how you look, you know. So maybe fire pits choice you like, right here, fire pits choice. Let's generate, boom. And it's just gonna give you like different looks, right? Shutterstock, fire pits, logo. So like this, literally, just get ideas. And then you take it to Canva, whatever you find anywhere, take it to Canva, create design, logo. Let's bring it in here. And boom, just put it in here and go through it, and you're pretty much done. The last thing, I'll include this link. Once you're done with that, it's time to take that domain name and start a free trial. So click that link. I don't get anything from it. It's literally just a link to get 3 months for $1. Literally huge deal. Enter your email, get the email, and then you'll be able to connect the domain you got earlier. Put that logo in and you're just ready. And this step is done. Don't take too much time. I literally gave you the steps here. I hope this helped and you guys are able to get on with creating the demo store. You guys, thanks so much for watching and commenting and liking on the videos. I mean, honestly, this is all for me, but that was sort of a tutorial for you guys because I didn't know when I was getting started, sort of how to do this, how to get a logo going, how to find a domain name and all this, but that's some free knowledge for you guys. So take it, use it, and hopefully you guys can get all that done pretty quick. Don't take too much time because you want to build out the demo store. But this was day 12. That's what I've been working on. I finished that. I just wanted to give you guys a tutorial. I'm actually starting my demo store, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. Day 13. Buying a theme, which I'll show you which ones to choose from, and I'll be building out my demo store on that theme. But thanks for watching.